Morning students, welcome back to a new session. In this session we are going to discuss how to construct the different types of triangles. Here we in this problem we are going to discuss how to construct a triangle with given base angle and sum of other two sides. Construct a triangle in which BC equal to 7 centimeters, angle B equal to 75 degrees and AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeters. First, draw BX. Along BX, cut off a line segment BC equal to 7 centimeters. At B, construct angle CBY equal to 75 degrees. Now, from BY, cut off BD equal to 13 centimeters, which is equals to sum of the two sides, that is AB plus AC. Now, join DC. Now, draw a perpendicular bisector of CD which meets BD at A. Join AC. Thus, triangle ABC is the required triangle. In this question, we are going to discuss given base angle, base and difference between other two sides. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 centimeters, angle B equal to 45 degrees and AB minus AC equal to 35 centimeters. Now draw BX. Along BX, cut off a line segment BC equal to 8 centimeters. At B, construct angle CBY equal to 45 degrees. From BX, cut off BD equal to 3.5 centimeters, that equal to AB minus AC. Join DC. Now draw PQ perpendicular bisector of DC which intersects BY at A. Join AC. Thus, required triangle ABC is constructed. Now similarly, if the hand of the base angle is smaller than the other side, then the way of construction will be different. Given base angle and difference between two sides such that hand of the base angle is less than the other third side. As in this question you can see, construct a triangle ABC, triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeters, angle Q equal to 60 degrees and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeters. We can see PQ, which is the hand of an angle base angle, is smaller than the third side. So here the way of construction will be different. Now draw QX. Along QX, cut off a line segment QR equal to 6 centimeters. Construct a line YQ Y0 such that angle PQY equal to 60 degrees. Cut off QS equal to 2 centimeters, that equal to PR minus PQ on QY0, that is below the angle, opposite side of the angle. Now join SR. Draw MN perpendicular bisector of SR which intersects QY at P. Join PR. Thus, triangle PQR is the required triangle. If sum of three sides and two base angles are given, how we are going to construct a triangle? Now, construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y equal to 30 degrees, angle Z equal to 90 degrees, XY plus YZ plus ZX equal to 11 centimeters. Draw a line segment AB equal to 11 centimeters such that which is equals to sum of the three sides. Now construct angle BAP equal to 30 degrees. Similarly, construct angle ABQ equal to 90 degrees. Draw AR, the bisector of angle BAP, and draw BS, the bisector of angle ABQ. Let AR and BS intersect at X. Now draw perpendicular bisector of AX which intersects AB at Y. Draw perpendicular bisector of XB which intersects AB at Z. Join XY and XZ. Thus, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeters. Draw BC equal to 12 centimeters. At B, construct angle CBY equal to 90 degrees. Along BY, cut off a line segment BX equal to 18 centimeters. Join CX. Draw PQ perpendicular bisector of CX which meets BX at A. Join AC. Thus, triangle ABC is the required triangle. Thank you, students. That's all for today.